Why your trendy kitchen remodel might be gorgeous, but won't make you rich. So let's talk kitchens, the heart of the home, the place where life happens, and where your Pinterest board dreams come to life. You've seen the posts: bold green cabinets, gold faucets, quartz waterfalls so shiny you could do your makeup in them. But before you max out your credit card at Home Depot, here's the hard truth. A trendy kitchen remodel might make you smile, but it probably won't make your home worth more. Number one, today's trend is tomorrow's. What were they thinking? Remember when avocado green and orange were the it kitchen colors? Yeah, neither do today's buyers. Trends move fast. What's hot on HGTV this year can be the real estate equivalent of wearing Crocs to a black tie event next year. So unless you plan to sell your home in the next 6 months, that super trendy backsplash might age faster than last year's TikTok dance craze. Number two, you might be the nicest home on the block, and that's a problem. Over improving is real. If you install a $20,000 stove in a $400,000 neighborhood, congratulations, you just built the nicest kitchen your neighbors will ever enjoy. Buyers compare homes to others nearby, and they won't pay extra for your imported Italian tiles if the rest of the neighborhood has perfectly good laminate. They might admire your taste, but they won't open their wallets wider for it. Number three, buyers want function, not flash. Sure, your floating shelves look stunning on Instagram, but buyers are wondering where they'll put their cereal boxes. Fancy finishes are fun, but when it comes time to sell, space, storage, and light win over sparkle every time. A clean, functional kitchen that doesn't make people think, "Where's the pantry?" is far more valuable than one that belongs in a design magazine. Number four, return on investment reality check. Remodeling isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. The average major kitchen remodel recoups about 50 to 60% of its cost. That means your $60K dream kitchen might add only 30 to 36K to your home's value. That's not a profit, it's basically a coupon. So if you're doing it for the love of marble countertops, go for it. But if you're doing it for resale, maybe start with paint, hardware, and lighting. Your wallet and your future buyer will thank you. Number five, timeless always wins. If you want to play it smart, keep it classic. Clean lines, neutral tones, and finishes that won't make buyers say, "Oh, this was definitely remodeled in 1920 or in 2025. Think of your kitchen like a little black dress, simple, flattering, and easy to accessorize. Let your personality shine through art, bar stools, or dish towels, not permanent tile that looks like confetti. Bottom line, remodel your kitchen because you want to love it, not because Zillow says it'll make you a millionaire. A fresh, functional, timeless kitchen will attract more buyers than one chasing the latest design trend. Want to know which updates actually move the needle in Kitsap County? Call Kelly Ham, the dancing broker, with John O. Scott Real Estate. I'll help you figure out what upgrades add value and which ones just add glitter. Thanks for watching.